Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on CoinStats if you have forgotten to log out from any device or browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to log out, open up the web browser in which you haven't logged out from your account. And then in the address bar, type in coinstats.app and press enter. You will now be taken into the official CoinStats website, where if your account has still been logged in, you will see the account icon at the top right corner instead of the sign in or get started button. So this means that your account has not been logged out. Now in order to log out, go ahead and click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see the logout button. Click on logout and this will immediately log you out from the application or website, and you will see the login and get started button once again. If you wish to log into your account, you will need to click on the login button and use your credentials to continue logging into CoinStats. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on CoinStats if you have forgotten to do so. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.